Hi, this is Quant Alpha, and we are going to learn today about the basics of the linear equations in two variables. We learn about the equation of two variables and what is the solution, how to solve them. Okay, a linear equation. A linear equation in two variables is an equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c belongs r. R means real numbers. So yeah, okay, where x, y are the variables that we need to find. A and b both not equal to 0. Why? If a equal to 0, if a equal to 0, b equal to 0, then c equal to 0. So there is no meaning of this equation. Okay, what about if a equal to 0 and b does not equal to 0? Then if a equal to 0, then it becomes by plus c equal to 0. Then we can find the solution of y. Okay, y, that is minus c by b. Okay, so it should be remember, and maybe it will help later. Okay, so yeah, now we come on the some points. This solution of a linear equation in two variables is a pair x y that satisfied the equation. So solution of the ax plus by plus c equal to 0, it written as x and y. And if this is the solution of the equation, then it should be satisfied the equation. It is okay. Graphically, the equation represents a straight line in the Cartesian plane. So, because x and y both are the linear, that means their power is 1, I mean degree is 1. So, if we draw on the Cartesian plane, they always represent a straight line. Okay, we can check it. Let me, I will show you in the figure. Okay, here is our figure, and here, yeah, let's see. This is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is exactly what. If we put a1 equal to 1, b equal to 1 and c equal to 1, our line looks like this. If we change the value of a, okay, let me change the value of a, then its line is change. Okay, line is rotating, but it's always a line. It's not going to be a circle or parabola. Okay, or b, if we change b, then also it's work same thing. If we change c, then plane is, then line is rotating, I mean moving up down, but it's always a line. It value of the abc will always give you a line. It's not going to give you a parabola, hyperbola, or circle or anything. It's always a line. Just if you change a, then line is rotating. If you change b, then line is rotating. If you change c, then whole line going to above or below the origin, but it's always a line. Okay, now come on the our question. Okay, if we put y, we set y equal to 0, we get x intercepts. Okay, if we set x equal to 0, we get y intercept. Right, if we, our equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If it's y equal to 0, then ax plus c equal to 0. So x equal to minus c by a, and inter and x intercept is minus c by a and 0. Okay, next if we set x equal to 0, then we get y intercept. Okay, so that means ki, that means if we put x equal to 0, then we get by plus c equal to 0. Equation becomes right. So y equal to minus c by b, and the y intercept is like 0 and minus c by b is the solution. Okay, and the slope of the line is m equal to minus a by b. So slope is the angle between the x-axis and the line. The angle between the x-axis and the line that we draw here is called slope. It is equal to minus a by b. Now we will check the x-intercepts and y-intercepts how works in the figure. Okay, let okay, and this one. Okay, let's check. This is 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Okay, so if we put y equal to 0, so if we put let y equal to 0, what happens? Let we put y equal to 0. So in case of y equals 0, okay, then sorry, if y equal to 0, then its terms going to be like this. Okay, if we put y equal to 0, then it's become x, only a straight line, also a straight line, but it's 2 0 is the point of intersection. On the other hand, if we like 3x plus 2y and put x equal to check it. Okay, at x-axis y equal to 0, so here point 2 0, and if x equal to 0, then it's 0 3. So point of intercept at y-axis is 0 3, and at x-axis is 2 0. Okay, so it's clear, I think. Okay, there is some questions. And now system of equations. So if two linear equations in two variables can be written as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So this is the system of equations, and we need to solve it. There is three possibilities comes. One, there is unique solution. At unique solution, that means they intersect at only one point. Okay, they intersect only at one point. If no solution, the lines are parallel, and there is no solution, they never meet. If infinite many solutions, they are coincident. Let me check it. Okay, let this is the let yeah, this is the our axis. Okay, let now if one line is this, another line is like this. Okay, so they will intersect at this point. There, if they intersect only one point, there is only one solutions. Okay, if these lines, if if these lines if these lines parallel, then they have no solutions because they never intersect each other. Okay, so they have no solution in that case. Let's check another. If there is case arise like if there is a case when line 1 is like this, another line is coincidence on the same line, then there is infinite many solutions. Infinite many solution, because they intersect many times each other. Okay, so it should be clear everyone. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Now come on the next. There is some exercise. Okay, they determine the intercepts of 3x plus 2y. So 3x plus 2y, so it can be written as 3x plus 2y. So at x intercepts, if there is case of x intercept, okay, x intercepts, then y equal to 0. Okay, we put y equal to 0. If y equal to 0, then 3x equal to 6, and x equal to 6 by 3 equal to 2. So y intercepts is at x intercepts is 2 and 0. Okay, and if y intercept, then what happens, then x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 implies 2y equal to 6. Okay, 2y equal to 6 and y equal to 3. So at y intercepts there is 0, 3. Okay, these are the intercepts 0, 3 at y intercepts, and x-axis intercept is 2, 0. Now we will see in the graph. Okay, there is equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Okay, 3x plus 2y equal to 6. 3x plus 2y, sorry, 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Okay, 3x plus 2y equal to 6 though. So there is the intercept at x-axis is 2, 0, and y-axis is 3, 0. That comes a same at our solution. Okay, and we solve it. Okay, now our next question is, there is system of equation x plus y equal to 7 and 2x minus y equal to 3. Let be okay, let me solve it. What is x plus y equal to 7? X plus y equal to 7 and 2x minus y equal to 3. 2x minus y equal to 3. So if we add these two, then it is 3x equal to 10. Y cancel out. Okay, so this implies x equal to 10 by 3. Okay, now if we putting value of x in 1, then 10 by 3 plus y equal to 7. So this implies y equal to 7 minus 10 by 3. This is equal to 21 minus 10 upon 3. So this is equal to 11 by 3. So solution x y equal to 10 by 3 and 11 by 3. So it's near about 3.33 and 3.66. Okay, now we will check it on the graph. Okay, here the equation, this is same equation, x plus y equal to 7 and 2x minus y equal to 3. Just see here, the solution is that exactly 3.3. we know that if two lines intersect, they intersect at one point, then they have only one solution. So they intersect at x equal to 3.33 and y equal to 3.67. That exactly what we got here. Okay, 3.67 we can write it. Okay, next question comes. Next question is slope of the line. Okay, this is written as slope of the line. We need to find the slope of the line. Compare with standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then slope equal to slope m equal to minus a by b. Okay, minus a by b. Okay, so here a equal to 4, b equal to 5. So slope m equal to minus 4 by 5 or near about minus 0.8. Okay, m equal to this. Okay, now we will draw 4x minus 5y equal to 4x minus 5y equal to 20. Okay, let 4x minus 5 equal to this. So this is the line, and angle with the x-axis is, and this is the line, and this is the slope angle between x-axis and the. Okay, so this is the first lecture. This is the first lecture, and this is the first lecture on the linear equation with two variables, and we are going to close this session now. You can solve these equations, you can solve these exercise questions. Here is check if the point 2 3 lies on it. If this is lies, then it should be satisfied, like x equal to 2, xy equal to 2 3. Okay, so if 2 3 is lies on x plus 2y equal to 8. If it is lies, then this should be satisfied. So put x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So 2 plus 2 into 3, that is equal to 2 plus 6 equal to 8. So it is satisfied. This implies this point 2 3 lies on this equation. We solve the question number 5 as we solved the question number 2. We can easily solve them. Find the equation of this is different. You can say this is different. I will solve it. Okay, let give me point 1 2. Point xy is given. Point his point given is 1 2 and m equal to 3. Point xy is given 1 2 and slope m equal to given 3. Okay, m equal to 3. So this is solution of this is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Okay, where x naught y naught is the given point, that is 1 2, and m is equal to 3. So we write like, put these values in above. Y minus 2 equal to 3 into x minus 1. So this is y minus 2 equal to 3x minus 3. So y minus 3x equal to 2 minus 3. Y minus 3x, y minus 3x equal to minus 1, or we can write as 3x. Okay, minus y equal to 1 is the equation of the line. Okay, next is We can write as we can solve the question number 7 as 5, and I told you about question number 2 2 and 2 5 and 7 are can be solved same method. If there is a single point, if we can solve it, and we got a point, single point, then they are intersecting. If there is a single solution, then they are intersecting. If they are parallel, then they looks like this. Okay, if we going to draw and coincidence, then line will become same. Let's check it. 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y equal to 6, and 4x plus 6y equal to 12. So if we multiply by 2, this becomes same now. 4x plus 6y equal to 12. So these lines are like, these lines are parallel. Okay, so they are coincidence, so there is many solutions, and question number 8 can be solved with the question number 7. Thank you for watching.